let's see what Parquet file is all about. So Parquet file is a file format system for storing data just like CSV files. What is different? CSV file uses row based format for using data, whereas my Parquet files uses flat columnar storage. Okay, so how does this help? It makes everything more efficient, it makes it faster, it makes it compressible. How does compressibility help? It helps you to reduce the amount of storage you need. So it has been seen that Parquet files uses 1/3 of the storage requirement by CSV files. So if you use any buckets like Amazon AWS S3 bucket, it will cost you according to how much space you require. So here 1/3 storage will cost you 1/3 money. So that is how you save a lot of money. It has also been seen that 99.7% savings are done just by replacing CSV files by Parquet files. Also, it is compatible with serverless technologies like AWS Athena. So this is how Parquet file is beneficial over CSV files. You can use Parquet files yourself by using pandas library in Python. So I hope you will give Parquet a try by listening to this video, and if you need any help, post it in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment and share this with your friends. Thank you.